Starting over is hard. The first time I ever moved, I moved away from my parents, away from my family, away from my friends, and I moved to a new city where I barely knew anybody. It was a difficult experience, but it was also an extremely rewarding one that led to a lot of very good and a lot of very new relationships. And in the end, I was very glad that I did end up doing that. But actually starting over was very difficult. And I hate to compare these two things, but starting a new project, especially one that you've worked on for years, is almost the same way to me. I have spent a year and a half writing the same book, and now it's done, and I have to find something else. I wake up in the mornings and I'm like, what am I supposed to do now? I don't have anything that I was supposed to be writing this morning. So starting over has been really rough on me because I'm not sure what that starting over looks like just yet, but I think I'm starting to figure it out.